Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your system specs on your Windows PC. And you can find this a couple different ways. So you can see on the top, you can see my storage. I have this much, and then my graphics card, 8 gigabytes, RTX 2070 Super, my installed RAM and the speed, and then my processor right here. And then I got my device name and information about that and the current version. So getting here is quite easy. This is just under system for settings. So let's go to settings and then go over to system on the left. And then right at the top, we can see my baseboard my motherboard type right there. And then I can go on down to about. And then I can go to this and I can see this information right here under here. So once again, this is my motherboard name, the B450M DS3H2. So you can find that information there. Now, another way you can find some information more about your motherboard and other stuff is if we go to search and type in system information. Very easy. And open this up. And then we can go to the baseboard manufacturer, Gigabyte Technologies baseboard product. And then I can see my RAM stuff on here as well. So if we want some more information, we want to go to google.com and we want to get some software. And it's nice having this one on here because it tells you a lot. So we can go to CPU ID. For the first option, CPUID.com. Get the version for Windows, CPU Z. And once we have this on our computer, we can just type in CPU Z. Open up this app, go to yes when this pops up, and wait for this thing to load. And when it does open up, it's going to be a little box. I can see it down here at the bottom. Here it is. And let's zoom in. And we can see our CPU, the name of it. Here's the socket type, AM41331. I can see the core speed, the bus speed, all this information. I can see my motherboard, PCI Express 3.0, 8 gigabytes something. The version, the BIOS date, the memory. DDR4 is probably very important to have if you're upgrading your memory. You want to know what type you have. And then the frequency right here. Then you can go to each slot too. So you can see my slot 3 is different than my slot 2 for the manufacturer. This is Corsair. My slot 2 is Data Technology. So you can look that up if you're upgrading. And it's going to default to the slowest speed. So I think mine is just defaulting to my Corsair RAM stick speed. And then we can go to our graphics card, Zotan or whatever. And then I can see information about this. So this gives you a lot of information just in general about your PC. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.